Hello everyone. We will see the difference between positive assertion and the negative assertion. Okay. So difference between the positive assertion as well as the negative assertion. So this is the previous test case we have written. So under this launch test scenario, now I'll create one more test scenario. Just I'll copy paste the same test case. Hmm. Here I will change the title. Difference between positive assertion and negative assertion. Most of the people knows, but so I'm revisiting this concept. Okay, so we have launched this URL. Okay, so after launching the URL, so type submit button is visible. We are in the landing page, right? We are in the login page. Sorry. Okay, after that, go here. Just try to identify these elements. Okay, go here, identify this element. Mm, Okay, see here, username, password. So name contains username, placeholder contains username. If I go here, password. So type contains password, name contains password, placeholder contains password. These are two different elements. But when I go with the class now, go with the class attribute. Class is the attribute name. This is the attribute value. Copy this. Control F. Just class. I am taking the class. See how many elements are matching. Two elements are matching, right? So for our assertion, this element will pick it. So it is required. Two elements are matching. Okay. What are the two elements? See, one is username, one is password. Both elements are matching. No? Copy this element. cy.get copy this element dot should have dot length have dot length have dot length 2. Okay, this is our positive assertion. Okay, so we will run only this test now. Dot only. Okay. Yes, this is correct, right? See, this element is identifying two elements here. See, these two are highlighting. So what is the elements? Length is 2. Okay. Now, what is going to be the negative assertion? Negative assertion. cy dot get same element. Copy this same element. Dot should not dot have dot length 3. So this is a direct assertion. 2 should have length 2. If it is 2, no, should not have length 3. This is a negative assertion. Okay. So it will run automatically because we have selected autosave, right? Hmm? See, both ways, both assertions are correct. Should not have to not have length 2. So this is the difference between positive and negative assertion. Difference between positive and negative assertion in Cypress. I hope this is very helpful, guys. Thank you.